Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 2 DIY wall hangings which I have made from waste cardboard. If you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and also hit the like button if you enjoy the video, and let's get started. For the first wall hanging, I have taken some cardboard pieces which I have cut into semicircle, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of white acrylic color. You can also use gesso or texture paste instead of using white acrylic color. Once our base coat is dried, now I'm going to make some boho patterns. You can find different type of patterns on Pinterest, so you can make any pattern of your choice. First of all, I'll randomly paint the cardboard pieces, and then using black acrylic color, I'll make different patterns on them. Once all the cardboard pieces are painted and dried, I'm going to arrange them in the shape in which I want to paste them on the wall. After that, I'm going to flip all the pieces, and then I'll paste some beads in the center. So here I have taken 3 beads and I have put them in a yarn, and then I have tied knot on both the ends to secure them, and now I'm going to place them in the center of the cardboard pieces. Now I will paste the yarn on the cardboard piece using a piece of clear tape, and with this our first DIY wall hanging is ready. Now let's move on to our second wall hanging, and to make this again I have taken 3 cardboard pieces and I'm going to paint them using different acrylic colors. And now I'm using white acrylic color to write the text. I'm writing good vibes only. You can write any quote or text of your choice. And now I'm using a sponge and white acrylic color to give it a finishing effect and to cover the edges of the cardboard. Now I'm going to paste yarn on the back side of the cardboard. You can also use jute rope instead of using yarn. And with this, our second DIY beautiful wall hanging is also ready. If you enjoyed the video, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And thanks for watching.